The UNP has decided to vote against legislation that would pave the way for casinos to be established in Sri Lanka.
UNP parliamentarian Joseph Michael Pereira expressed the party's stance on the matter during a media briefing held in Colombo today.
During the last UNP parliamentary group meeting, we reached a decision. The government is attempting to create a large-scale casino network in the country which could harm our culture. Taking this into consideration, the UNP decided to oppose this legislation. We agreed that UNP parliamentarians would oppose it. Gambling will soon be followed by prostitution, and all of this will come under the guise of tourism. They are preparing to legalize prostitution. The parliamentarians are behaving like scarecrows. They do whatever the president says. If they hold a secret ballot in this regard, some of these parliamentarians will oppose this move and the government might lose. Casinos, gambling, prostitution and alcohol became widespread as a result of the economic policy of the UNP government in 1978. The present government is enacting the same economic policy. Without even changing it by a drop, the present government is implementing the economic policy of the United National Party better than the UNP did. The result of this was the discovery of large stocks of heroin which were brought to Sri Lanka. Therefore, instead of shouting like fools, crying, ranting and raving, what they should do is change this economic policy and this system. We do not believe that the country can be freed from the casinos and gambling that are destroying this country and the economy without changing this system.